Welcome to the third lesson of our first module. In this lesson, we will talk about the model created by Michael Porter that served as the blueprint of the concept of the value chain. Let's start. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn how procurement affects all business stages, from material arrival to product delivery. Understand how strategic purchasing enhances quality, reduces costs, and accelerates market entry. Find out how to leverage procurement to outperform rivals by sourcing materials and services that improve or lower the cost of your products. Understand the value of working with other departments to ensure purchases meets the company broader needs and contributes to overall company success. Originating from Porter's insightful work in the 1980s, this module revolutionized how companies view their activities and their contribution to overall value. At its core, the value chain model dissects a company's operations into strategic activities, enabling companies, especially those in procurement, to analyze and optimize their internal processes. For procurement professionals and company leaders, understanding this module is not just about academic knowledge, it is a practical tool for us for achieving competitive advantage in a market that constantly demands efficiency and innovation. As we delve into the world of Porter's value chain model, we will unravel the layers that constitute a company's internal workings and discover how each segment contributes to the overall value creation. Porter's value chain model dissects a company into 5 primary activities that are critical in adding value and creating a competitive edge. We will dive deeper into all these 5 points in Module 2, but for now, we're going to have a quick rundown and overview of what the activities are about. This will allow you to have a grasp of their role within the greater value chain. Inbound logistics is the first stage in the value chain. Think of this as the welcome party for all the materials needed to create a product. This involves receiving, storing, and disseminating inputs of the product. Effective inbound logistics can significantly reduce costs and improve quality, contributing to a competitive advantage. For procurement professionals, mastering this stage means negotiating favorable terms with our suppliers, ensuring quality, and optimizing inventory management. Following the first stage is the operations, the heart of production. This is where the magic happens, turning those raw materials into awesome products. This refers to the process of transforming inputs into finished products or services. This stage demands efficiency and innovation in manufacturing processes. It's here that companies seek to streamline operations, reduce waste, and maintain quality, aligning closely with procurement's role in sourcing the best materials and technology. Once the product is ready, it must reach the customer. This is where outbound logistics comes in. This involves storage, order processing, and distribution. Effective outbound logistics requires seamless coordination between production, schedules, warehousing, and transportation, ensuring timely delivery to customers. The fourth stage in the value chain model is marketing and sales. These activities are about creating demand for the product. It includes advertising, pricing strategies, and sales channels. The challenge here is not just to attract buyers, but to do so in a way that aligns with the brand's value proposition and market positioning. The last of the primary activities is service. The post-sales support includes customer service, maintenance, and repair services. This stage is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and building long-term relationships. It's an area where we as procurement professionals can contribute significantly by ensuring availability of quality spare parts and service materials. Each of these primary activities is not just a step in the process. They are opportunities for a company to add value and differentiate itself from competitors. Support activities kick off with procurement. As you already know as a procurement professional, this involves the process of acquiring raw materials and other inputs needed for production. It's not just about buying goods, it's about finding the right suppliers, negotiating the best terms and prices, and ensuring that the quality is good. Secondly, we have technology development. This includes all activities related to developing new technologies or improving existing ones that can enhance the product or service. It's not limited to just information technology. It also includes research and development, process automation, and other technological improvements. Procurement teams play a role here too by identifying and sourcing the right technology partners. Coming third in the support activities is human resource management. People are the most vital asset in any organization. This activity focuses on recruiting, training, and developing employees. Strong human resource practices ensure that the organization has skilled and motivated employees, vital for executing all other activities in the value chain effectively. Lastly, we have firm infrastructure. This includes organizational structure, planning, finance, and company culture. A robust infrastructure supports the entire value chain by providing a stable foundation upon which all activities can thrive. Let's talk about the interdependency of these activities. There's a significant interrelation between primary and support activities. Primary activities directly influence the creation and delivery of a product, while support activities, as you learned by now, though indirect, are vital for enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of primary activities. For example, effective human resource management can ensure skilled personnel in operations, directly impacting product quality and production efficiency. To help you to translate Porter's value chain into practice, we will provide you with an example. Amazon's implementation of Porter's value chain model provides you with a clear blueprint for understanding how theoretical concepts apply in the real world. Inbound logistics. Amazon has perfected the art of inbound logistics, sourcing products from a vast network of suppliers and ensuring they are readily available through advanced logistics and inventory management systems. As for their operations, the company's operational excellence is evident in its use of state-of-the-art automation and robotics, streamlining processes and cutting labor costs while maintaining high efficiency in order fulfillment centers. Outbound logistics. Creating a robust network for delivering goods worldwide allows Amazon to offer convenient and varied shipping options, enhancing customer satisfaction through reliable service. Marketing and sales. Amazon's use of its website, mobile apps and social media platforms for targeted advertising and personalized product recommendations shows a keen understanding of modern marketing and sales strategies that align closely with customer preferences and behaviors. Customer service. Amazon's focus on high-quality customer service, including 24/7 support and a loyalty program through Amazon Prime, reflects the critical role of service in maintaining customer loyalty and driving additional revenue. Through the lens of Amazon's operations, it's evident that the value chain model isn't just a theoretical framework. It's a practical tool for diagnosing company activities and finding opportunities for optimization and differentiation. By leveraging every link in the value chain, Amazon has built a formidable competitive advantage that many companies aspire to emulate. As we wrap up our lesson on Porter's value chain model, remember, it's like a toolbox that helps us look at our company's process from start to finish. It shows us from a procurement perspective where we can get better, save money, and make our customers happier. Here are important key points to remember. The Porter's value chain model is a guide for us to check each step of our work, find places we can improve, and work smarter together. It's also about making sure everything we do adds up to something valuable for our company, for procurement, and for our customers. That's it for now. Looking forward to catching up with you in our next lesson.